Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, Mystic Silent Life is how's everyone? Okay, मैं 10 मिनट की रीडिंग के लिए आई हूँ. ओके, आई होप मेरा चल रहा है. ओके, मुझे यही था कि आवाज़ नहीं आ रही. ओके, फाइन. अच्छा, 10 मिनट की रीडिंग के लिए आई हूँ आज. और इसमें मेरे पास कुछ ये कोई अबाउट न्यूज़ है, कोई न्यूज़ में कहीं न्यूज़ पेपर में आ सकता है या न्यूज़ चैनल में ये खबर आ सकती है, आई डोंट नो. बट इस सिचुएशनशिप में कुछ एयर्स शामिल हैं जो ऑलरेडी मैंने स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दिए हैं. यू कैन सी दैट यहाँ पे कैंडल मैजिक वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैनिपुलेट करने के लिए सम काइंड ऑफ द फीमेल्स ट्राई टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ द कैंडल मैजिक और रेड कैंडल पर्सन यूज्ड इट. some kind of the blue brown कोई corporate color कोई businessman involved also here I'm getting. Okay, also I'm getting rose. या सब काइंड ऑफ द क्लैरिटी इज कमिंग आउट. इसकी कुछ क्लैरिटी है जो मिलने वाली है और इस आउट कोई पास्ट का एक्शन है उसके बारे में कुछ सच पता चलने वाला है किसी को. ओके, मैंने रीडिंग का टाइम ऑन कर दिया है. रिगार्डिंग यहाँ पे किसी को इंटेंशनली किसी मनी मैटर से रिमूव किया गया है. मनी मैटर सम काइंड ऑफ द ऑफर हो सकती है, बिजनेस ऑफर जो कि किसी फीमेल ने मैनिपुलेट किया किसी लव मैजिक के साथ. ठीक है, और this female connected to किसी some male this male knew this person is many years or this person is in this female relationship since 2008 और इनका ऑन ऑफ रिलेशनशिप रहा है. पहले 2008 में ये लोग रिलेशनशिप में थे, फिर ये 2003 में थे, 2008 में थे, 2010 में थे, फिर 2022 में थे. ऑन ऑफ रिलेशनशिप रहा है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे किसी की एज 48 हो सकती है, 84 भी इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकता है, पे 56 65 किसी की एज हो सकती है. ओके, बट यहाँ पे इंटेंशनली some kind of the manipulation did, yeah, confirmation. Okay, सॉरी फॉर दिस. एक्चुअली मुझे असेंशंस मेरे चल रहे हैं और मेरी जो है ना जान नहीं छुट्टी. में किसी भी मेडिसिन से मुझे फ्लू का आराम नहीं आ रहा बिकॉज इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ सम काइंड ऑफ असेंशन. क्या 7 years ago 7 of पेंटिकल की कोई चोरी हुई है जो कि किसी और के थे, बट मैनिपुलेशन की किसी फीमेल ने यहाँ पे किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को लेने की. 7 years ago सम काइंड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिमूव है. अगर कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं है तो कुछ मुझे क्रिएटिविटी की वाइब्स आ रही है. या यहाँ पे कोई मेल जो इन्वॉल्व है, कोई नेटवर्कर है. दिस पर्सन गोइंग टू सम काइंड ऑफ द पॉवर्टी that is working some kind of the female behind the scene or this couple going to down, some kind of the network couple is going to down. Okay, these people are on off couple yani open relationship kind of the people having. Yep, these are date some kind of the open relationship. Okay, कुछ सच बाहर आने वाला है और ये कपल जब बाहर आएगा और these people are the behind the scene who's try to blocking to real people so they can take away other people's opportunities from many years. क्योंकि these people are on a couple, they are some kind of the love relationship but sexually relationship with some kind of the benefit, love friends with benefits kind of vibes. Yeah, she was doing some kind of the ritual or magic or use some kind of the she's very expert some kind of the candle magic. I'm getting very clearly she is doing candle magic. किसी कोर्ट केस को मैनिपुलेट करने के लिए 3 years से she was spelling some kind of the candle magic here. Yeah, manipulation. She did some kind of the manipulate some kind of the group by using candle magic with this man. यहाँ पे कोई फीमेल है, she doesn't want to be come out but she's eventually come out क्योंकि इनकी जो भी deeds है it's rejected actually. I'm getting it's rejected now. Yeah, she's not, or this couple is not, this network couple is cannot Yeah, she's some kind of the sexual kind of baby mother है किसी की ये. A king of pentacle networker or empress reverse, they are working together, some kind of this network ओपन रिलेशनशिप. ये कोई बेबी मदर है, बट इस तरह की बेबी मदर है कि बहुत कम लोगों को पता है कि शी इज द बेबी मदर ऑफ दिस मैन. They do not have any some kind of the relationship, but they have some kind of open relationship, not a long term open relationship. Yeah, this is coming out. Yeah, this person manipulating this female for 9 years, some kind of the situationship is there, but now this situationship is coming out because these people cannot take away other people's stuff, their money, their opportunities, their talent, their gifts, everything that belong to other people. These people are stucking between that their nose and poke their nose and snatching everything to other people, their opportunities, money. Whenever they saw somebody is going to do something to create something, this female's doing some kind of the copycat work with this man, but some kind of they are using magic. Black magic is very important in situationships there. Yeah, yeah, they are using some kind of the moon magic, specifically moon magics there. Yeah, therefore fulfill their wish fulfillment, they are using some kind of the magic to fulfill some kind of their wishes here. Yeah, now this couple going to down, some kind of their foundation they created this couple. ये couple network couple है. I'm getting the network couple. They are very expert in some kind of network. They have some kind of the using other people's work to creating name, and they are using their network because they are some kind of networker people. Yeah, authority figures coming to them now. जो इनको पकड़ने वाले हैं कोई. I'm getting money laundering, this female involved, but behind it this male was mastermind. ये male है, ये female नहीं है, but she is doing since 2008 to now lots of this stuff, lots of the crime because of this man. और authority figures coming for these people, और ये कोई news में आने वाला है. Be ready for these people. I don't know, but I'm the psychic only. I'm getting the अभी मैं meditation के लिए बैठी थी. I got some messages because I doesn't want to be मुझे आ रही थी कि मैं कुछ short messages दूँ, so that's why I'm getting some kind of messages regarding. या यहाँ पे कोई किसी का घर को ये यूज करे थे कि कोई मनी इन्होंने यूज किया, किसी की मनी, किसी के होम को छीनने की कोशिश की behind the scene. They are going to lose some kind of the case here for home. It's also some kind of the included work situationship. This tower hitting, or these people are going to down with this. Yeah, justice is here. I cannot make it up. So all kind of the behind the scene they're using candle magic manipulation. She was trying to manipulate by candle magic. She is very good manipulator. And this person man is networker जो man है, this person using this woman is skill set actually. So all kind of the chaos, all kind of the created the manipulation, so these people are never be found out. It's coming out. Okay, yeah, about 10 of Pentacles. These people wanted to sell somebody inheritance, that's why it's coming out. ये इनहेरिटेंस या मनी या ये मैं कह रही हूँ आइडेंटिटी फ्रॉड करते हैं नेटवर्कर जो भी. अगर कोई मनी नहीं है तो आइडेंटिटी फ्रॉड इस वजह से है कि किसी के करियर को, सिर्फ एक पर्सन के नहीं, बहुत से लोगों के करियर, किसी के लोगों के कामों को ये लोग छीनते आए हैं. Now these people are going to catch. This man is doing since 2008. I'm getting 2008. Same man is snatching other people and creating some. This person running some kind of the network online work. This person is doing, but on the but physically this person, very few people knew about this online work of this person. This person is a networker, have some kind of the money status, but it's going down now because harsh judgment under these people are now. Yeah, investigators coming out from these people. They already investigated these people. It's many years, and it's now coming. This is justices here now. Yeah, they cannot stand up here anymore. This situation is, they cannot control this situationship anymore for this, because whatever they did, this celebration, everything is blocking now. They cannot celebrate to other people's wealth, other people's destiny, other people's stuff. Yeah, court may already, they are going to lose some kind of home foundation, some kind of thing. They are going to jail. Yeah, this is the reading I'm getting. Thank you so much. Or that's the truth. Okay, that's the truth I'm getting. Yeah, यहाँ पे ये लीड करना चाहते थे. दिस पीपल वांटेड टू लीड सम अदर पीपल. यहाँ पे ये कपल किसी और की, कोई और कपल है जिसकी डेस्टिनी को स्वैप करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. उनकी उनकी आइडेंटिटी ए फीमेल के वेकअप होने से पहले पहले ये उनसे ले लेना चाहते थे. ये इनका प्लानिंग था और ये 2008 से ये कब से अपना फाउंडेशन क्रिएट कर रहे थे इन चीज़ों पे. बट ये फॉल्टी फाउंडेशन गोइंग टू ब्लॉक, बिकॉज ये दो लोग जो रियल लोग हैं जो कि इसके they are going to go for this. They are choose by divine, choose by ancestor, and choose by their skill set. They are talented people. They both are. They are going to, they wanted to stole their destiny from these two people, this couple. That's why under harsh judgment these are. This is the reading I'm getting. Okay, thank you so much. This is coming to news out. Some kind of the couple going to jail, some kind of the networker couple. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.